welcome my number ninjas. Welcome to today's session. This is Sana Khan, your maths master teacher from Vedantu. So hi guys, how are you people? I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. So today I have come up again with R.S. Agrawal questions, but from the new chapter, simple equations. Okay, so let's do R.S. Agrawal के questions फटाफट से and let's start doing it. So are you guys ready to do R.S. Agrawal questions? Chalo, let's begin. So here comes the first question from R.S. Agrawal of chapter Simple Equation. So the first question says solve the following equation for x, and the equation is 3x minus 5. So it's a very simple chota sa equation. We can solve it very easily. So let me take my pen. Let's see how we can solve it. Now you remember the transposing method. What you have to do, there are two ways of solving an equation. First, since you are beginners, you can do it in this way, that 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. Then you have to put all the variables on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So as I told you, what you can do is either you can add plus 5 on both sides, because if I add plus 5 on this side, it will become minus 5 plus 5, 0, right? So let's do it. 3x minus 5 plus 5 will be equal to plus 5. So I have added plus 5 on both sides. So this became what? 3x minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So nothing has to be written. 3x is equals to 5. Now you all know that I have to get the value of x. So I want to remove any numerical value which is related to x. So here 3 is multiplied to x. So what I can do to remove 3? I can divide the equation by 3, right? So I will divide it by 3. What will I get? 3x divided by 3 and 5 divided by 3. So 3x divided by 3 will become x. 5 divided by 3 will become 5 by 3. So what is the value of x? 5 by 3. Easy. This was a very small chota sa question. And how you can check whether you have got correct value? By calculating the value of left hand side and right hand side by putting the value of x. So let's do it. So the value of x is 5 by 3. Let's put it on left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side is 3x minus 5. So it will become 3 into 5 by 3 minus 5. Now what is 3 into 5 by 3? 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 got cut. We got 5. 5 minus 5. What is 5 minus 5? 0. So we got LHS as 0. And what is there in the RHS? Already 0. That means what? LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked that our answer is correct. Okay. Chalo. Before moving on to next question, let me once again remind you guys about Vedantu Pro amazing pack which Vedantu has brought to solve all the problems which you guys face while studying. So basically, what are the problems that you guys face? First of all, that you guys get a lot of doubts while studying, right? That it can be and you also feel that school teacher solve karega ki Sana ma'am solve karegi. Sometimes you guys try to ask questions in the comment section, but I am unable to reply. Sometimes your school teachers are unable to reply, right? So it gets very difficult if our doubts are not cleared at the time when we are studying. Secondly, you guys want notes. You guys want material from where you can feel that this is the entire thing. Nothing will come from outside it, right? So from where to get those kind of notes? Tests and assignments, so that you can do lots and lots of practice. And competitive exam की तैयारी कहाँ से करें? So basically guys, Vedantu Pro has brought solution for all these problems by giving you unlimited live classes in which you guys will get an expert, an extra expert who sits there just to clear your doubts within the session itself. So the one teacher is teaching, another teacher is clearing doubts at the same time. How amazing it is. They will also give you notes, lots of tests and assignments, so that you can do lots of practice and make maths perfect. Competitive exam like Olympiads की तैयारी भी करवाई जाएगी, and everything at the schedule you choose and at the language you choose. So guys, you will also get bonuses that are micro courses and crash courses. Along with performance report and personalized attention will be given to each and every student. So what you have to do for this, just visit the site, bdnt.in/ytpro, choose your grade, choose your board, and you can check out all the details, they are given over there. And when you click on the get subscription button, you will get 3 buying options for 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. Suppose you are having doubt that whether you will get benefit from it or not, but I am sure you will definitely benefit from it. So what you can do is you can try it for 1 month. It is available at 2699 rupees, but since you are my student, you can get a discount of 15% also when you apply the code SKPRO, and then you will have to pay 2294 rupees. Okay. Similarly, for 3 months, it is available at 6999. Again, if you use the code, here you have to put the code. So which code you will use? SKPRO, to get a discount of 1049, and then you can pay 5949 rupees. Okay. Similarly, for 6 months, it is available at 8499. So I will suggest that you buy it for 6 months because it is most economical and feasible. If you buy it for 6 months, you will get everything for such a long duration, and it will really benefit you. So you can try it out. What you have to do is just visit this site, show it to your parents, they will also love it, and don't forget to use the code SKPRO. Okay, thank you for listening. Let's do next question. Again, we have to solve these equations to get the value of x. So let's do it one by one. So the first one you have to solve is 8x minus 3 is equals to 9 minus 2x. Okay, so let's solve it for x. So first, what is the step? We have to bring all the variables on one side, all the constants that are the numerical values on the other side. Okay, so let's try for it. Or what all variables do you see? 8x and 2x. So let's get them on one side, that is the left hand side. Minus 2x, when goes to the other side, it becomes what? Plus 2x, right? 8x plus 2x. Now minus 3, when it will go to the other side, it will become plus 3. So 8x plus 2x is equals to 9 plus 3 by transposition method. So 8x plus 2x will be 10x, 9 plus 3 will be 12, x will be 12 by 10, that is nothing but 6 by 5 simplified. How? 12 divided by 10. So if I divide it by 2, what will I get? 12 divided by 2 is 6, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So I will get 6 by 5, right? So I am just writing it in a simplified form. So we got x by 5 as our value of x. Okay, similarly, the next question is 2 times x minus 2 plus 3 times 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So first, always open bracket. So let's open bracket first. X minus 2 multiplied by 2, distributive method. So 2 into x minus 2 into 2. So what is 2 into x? 2x. 2 into 2, 4. So 2x minus 4. Similarly, 3 into 4x is 12x, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 equals to 0. Now bring all the variables and all the constants together. 2x plus 12x, what will it be? 14x. Minus 4 minus 3, what will it be? Minus 7. Now we'll send minus 7 to the other side, it will become plus 7. 14x is equals to 7. Now 14 into x, product is there, so when it will go to the other side, it will get divided, right? So x will be equals to 7 divided by 14. What is 7 divided by 14? 1 by 2. So hence x value will be 1 by 2. You can also check LHS and RHS value. Put value of x on the left hand side. When you will simplify it, we got 0, and what is there on the right hand side? 0. That means what? We solved it correctly. Okay, next, 2x minus 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 5 minus x. So let's again solve it. All the variables on one side, all the constants on the other side. 2x minus x means minus x on the other side will become plus x. So 2x plus x equals to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3 on the other side will become plus 1 by 3. Now 2x plus x is 3x. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is addition of two fractions. How do we do it? By finding the LCM. So what is the LCM of 5 and 3? 15. So hence it will 1 will become 3 and this one will become 5. 3 plus 5 divided by 15, that is 8 by 15. Now this 3 will come to this side. So since it is a numerator, it will go to the denominator. So 8 by 15 into 3, 8 by 45. Okay guys, understood? Okay. And if we have to check, what we will do, we will substitute this value in the left hand side and our right hand side, and if we get left hand side equals to our right hand side, means our answer is correct. So let's do it. X is equal to 8 divided by 45. When we are putting it, we will get 16 by 45 minus 1 by 3. Subtraction of fractions, we got 1 by 45. Similarly here we got 1 by 45. So that means what? LHS is equals to RHS. So our answer is correct. Okay. Next, find the value of x in x plus divided by 2 plus x divided by 4 equals to 1 by 8. Very simple. So we simply have to do addition of fractions. But what's different here is we have x also in fraction. So don't worry guys, just treat x as 1. ठीक है, उस तरीके से solve करो. So what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. So that is why this has to be multiplied by 2 and this also has to be multiplied by 2. 2 into 2, 4. X into 2, 2x. And x by 4 will remain as x by 4. 2x plus x, 3x. So 3x by 4 is equals to 1 by 8. So 3x will be equal to 1 by 8. Now this 4 will come to this side. So it will get multiplied into 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So we got 1 by 2. 3 into x. So 3 will come this side. It will become divide by 3. So 1 by 2 divided by 3 is 1 by 6. So we got x as 1 by 6. Understood? Hence the answer will be what? We will 1 by 6, and when we substitute it on the left hand side, we got 1 by 8 and right hand side was also 1 by 8. Hence proved our answer is correct. So I am not explaining you how to check it again and again. एक बार explain कर दिया है, बाकी मैंने आपको show कर दिया है. So you can watch it yourself that how to check every question, because checking is not necessary. It is just for our part to cross check कि हमने सही आंसर निकाला है या नहीं. I hope you guys understood how you have to check. Just simply put the value of x in both left hand side and right hand side and see whether left hand side is coming equal to the right hand side. Okay guys? Chalo, next question. Solve for y. So 13 into y minus 4 minus 3 into y minus 9 minus 5 into y plus 4. So it's a big equation but very simple. Just simply open the brackets. 13 into y is 13y. 13 into minus 4 is minus 52. Minus 3 into y is minus 3y. Minus 3 into minus 9 is plus 27, because minus into minus is plus, है ना? So plus 27. Minus 5 into y is minus 5y. Minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. Now bring all the y together, all the constants together. Okay. So 13y minus 3y minus 5y. It will become what? 13 minus 3, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So it will become 5y. Now bring all the numericals on the other side. Minus 52 will become plus 52. Plus 27 will become minus 27. Minus 20 will become plus 20. Whenever a number goes to the opposite side, sign changes, right? Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Okay. Now 52 plus 20 minus 27 is 45. So we simply 5y is equal to 45. That means what? Y is equals to 45 divided by 5, and that is nothing but 9. So we got 9 as the answer. Okay. Now you can check by substituting the value of x as 9. Not x, y as 9. X will not come here, y will come. Y as 9, and you will see that LHS came equal to RHS, and our answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Chalo, next question is find the value of 6 into 3x plus 2 minus 5 into 6x minus 1 is equals to 3x minus 8 minus 5 7x minus 6 plus 9x. Big question, but don't worry, आराम से solve हो जाएगा. Simply open the bracket. 6 into 3x, 6 3s are 18, so 18x. 6 into 2, 12. Minus 5 into 6, minus 30x. Minus 5 into minus 1, plus 5. Equals to 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 8, minus 24. Minus 5 into 7, minus 35x. Minus 5 into minus 6, plus 30, and plus 9x. Now bring all x on one side, numbers on the other side. Add them, you will get what? 11x is equals to minus 11. So x is equals to 11 by 11, that is minus 1. So x came out to be minus 1. Understood guys? Okay. Chalo, next question. 2 by 3x is equals to 3 by 8x plus 7 by 12. Again simple question. Bring x on the other side. What you have to do? Bring this on the other side. Plus 3 by 8 will become minus 3 by 8x. Now 2 by 3 minus 3 by 8 is nothing but fraction. x को थोड़ा ignore कर दो, fraction की तरह treat करो, ठीक है? So 8 and 3, what is the LCM? 24. So 8 will be multiplied, 3 will be multiplied here. So 2, 8 to the 16, 3 to the 9, 16 minus 9 divided by 24x. That became 7 by 24x is equals to 7 by 12. Now this 24 is in division. When it will go to the other side, it will be multiplied. 7 is on multiplication. So when it goes on the other side, it will get divided. So x will be equals to 7 by 12 into 24 by 7. So this is nothing but 7 1 the 7. 12 2s are 24, so we got only 2. So x value is coming out to be 2. Understood? You can check it by putting the value of 2 in place of x. Here we got 4 by 3. Similarly, here if we put the value of 2, solving it as addition of fractions, we got 4 by 3 here also. So that means what? LHS is equals to RHS, and hence our solution is correct. Okay. Chalo. Next one is using the variable t. Let's solve it. Opening the bracket, t minus 2t. So it will become t minus 2t. Minus plus will be minus, right? Minus into plus is minus. So minus plus minus 5. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 2, plus 10. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 3 into t, minus 3t. Minus 3 into minus 4, plus 12. Now bring all the variables on one side, all the constants on the other side. Add them. T1 minus 2 plus 10 minus 8 plus 3. So what will it come? 14 minus 10. 40. Okay. Similarly this side. 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 will become 28. Now divide 4 t is equals to 28. That means what? T will be equals to 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 4 7s are 28. So x will come out to be not x, t. T variable. By mistake x is written over there. T, we are solving for t na. So t will be equals to 7. Okay. Again, how to check whether our answer is correct? Put the value of t as 7 and solve it. So when you solve it, you will get 53 on this side. Similarly, when you put the value of t as 7 on this side, you got 53. LHS came out to be equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. Okay. I hope you guys are able to solve it. If you are not able to solve it, do tell me in the comment section later. Okay. So that's all for today's RS Agrawal questions. We will do more RS Agrawal question later on. Okay guys. So yeah, once again, let me remind you guys about Vedantu Pro, which is a one-stop solution for all your doubts, notes, test series and competitive exam preparation with unlimited live class, micro course and crash course and performance reports. So just visit this site and enjoy fun learning sessions at Vedantu Pro. You can buy it for 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. And don't forget to use the code SKPRO to get a discount of 15%. Okay. So just visit this site and use the code and have amazing fun learning journey at Vedantu. Okay. So yeah, now it's time for homework. So guys, this is your homework question. Solve it and tell me the answer in the comment section below this video only. And I will see to it that who all have given correct answer. Okay. So thank you so much. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Do like the videos if you enjoy learning at Vedantu Number Ninjas. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications, because so many times our videos come at different times, right? And you miss it. So do press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for today's session. Bye guys. Have a nice day.